Another dominating day with the bat, especially for India. Shubman Gill, Rishabh Pant, KL Rahul, and Ravindra Jadeja also scoring big runs.
Yep.
तो कैसा लगा आज का
No, I
performance?
mean, great day of batting again, flat deck on day 4 again. Kannada boys started, KL Rahul and Karun Nair, and then they kind of played some great shots. But then उसके बाद main जो partnership आई ऋषभ पंत के साथ पहली शुभमन गिल की. Rishabh Pant played typical Rishabh Pant late के sweeps. But then Gill was like in another zone today. Again another century by Indian captain on top of a double century. So I think he's the now उसके I think एक टेस्ट में 450 रन के करीब आ गए, which is like on the top 3 top 4 batsmen as for like most runs in an innings or in a test match, I would say.
And for India, the only other batsman apart from Shubman Gill to have a double hundred and a 150
Yeah.
in a test match was Sunil Gavaskar.
Yeah.
So
और इन सब के अलावा विराट कोहली की स्टोरी भी आ गई है शुभमन गिल के बारे में. सो दैट्स सोने पे सुहागा. बट देन उसके बाद एक और पार्टनरशिप आई जडेजा के साथ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द डिक्लेरेशन एंड द वे काइंड ऑफ जडेजा काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्रेस हिज इनिंग्स?
yeah, जडेजा का बैटिंग मुझे थोड़ा अप्रोच बॉर्डर एनोइंग लगा, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लगा. पता नहीं चल रहा था क्यों इतना स्लो खेल रहा था. आई थिंक उसने 69 बनाए विच इज गुड, बट 118 बॉल्स वो जो सिचुएशन था जिसमें जडेजा आया तभी थोड़ी जरूरत थी बैट्समैन की. बट once they got established, I think they should have just
Yeah.
should have gone for it, and
Yeah.
because they had Washington Sundar and Nitish Kumar Reddy to follow.
Yeah.
So they should have gone for big runs right then and there.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है declaration थोड़ा late आया. 500 was absolutely required
Yeah.
for this England batting lineup,
Yeah.
considering a flat pitch. But 550 was good enough.
Yeah.
They went for 600. So थोड़ा conservative approach, but all's well that ends well.
Yeah.
Or
Set a massive target of over 600 runs, and then the way we started, I think Akashdeep was phenomenal.
Beautiful bowling. I
Yeah.
think he is one of the best new ball bowlers in the world right now. He
Yeah.
is very small career so far, but best new ball bowler in the world.
Yeah.
One of the best.
Yeah, exactly. So कल का plan क्या है? Get the 7 wickets as quick as possible. Because we need to take care of the weather as well. I think थोड़ा वो भी देखना
Yes,
पड़ेगा कि
England-
बारिश है कि नहीं.
England will fight back, but I am backing India to take those remaining 7 wickets and
Yeah.
make it 1-1 all.
1 all before Lords would be great without Jasprit Bumrah. So yeah, hoping for an Indian win tomorrow. Cheers.
Yes.